Hello guys, welcome to the another video. This video is second video of entire data science. So this video we will discover exploratory data analysis. So firstly discover the construct a bar graph with delay using Python. Means how to construct a bar graph, and second a bar graph with overlay. These statistics um, show the variable count, how much count. So second, construct contingency tables using Pythons, and uh, histogram with overlay, and last is perform binning based on predictive value using Python. So firstly, how to construct a bar graph. So firstly import the numpy, import numpy as np, and this is known as alias, and simply secondly import matplotlib dot pilot as plit. This these two these two lines are the library of Python to is used to construct a bar graph with overlay using Python. So example, this is the given data. Firstly, categorize A and divided categories like A, B, C, D, and first count variable, uh, count one. This count one is variable. So 10, 20, 15, 25, and second is 12, 18, 22 or 19. So x equal to np dot range len categories, means arrange this arrange bird is the function in Python. So len means any string length, creating a position for the categorize with equal to 0.35. This is the width of the bars. Plotting bars with overlay. Figure x equal to plot dot subplots. This is the function x dot bar variable. So width width upon 2, x minus width upon 2 count 1 with label count 1, alpha equal to 0.1. This is the bar 1, and second is x dot bar x plus width upon 2 count 2 with label count 2, alpha equal to 0.7. This is the second bar. So set x sticks, x dot set sticks x. मतलब setting means setting x sticks. X dot set x table is categorized, मतलब means labeling categorize on the x axis, and set title bar graph with overlay. This is the graph title, and adding length, or this function is display the plot. This plot means 10 count 1. This blue color uh, is count 1 variable, and this yellow color is count 2 variable. So firstly count 1 like graph 10 times, and count 2 is 15 times. This is known as bar graph with overlay. The second is construct contingency. tables using Python. Then import pandas library. Firstly, import pandas library. So import pandas as PD. Example data. Uh, this is the dictionary. This is the dictionary. Gender. Gender means male, female, female, male, male. Yeah, this uh, is adding choice. Yes, no, yes, no, yes, no. So df equal to pd dot data frame data. This is the function. Create contingency table. Contingency table equal to dot pd. Pd means pandas library. So pandas library cross tab df gender df choice. So print contingency table. This is the output in this entire program. So choice no or yes. Gender null. Female 1 or female 1 no yes. Male 1 2. So second, construct histogram with overlay using Python. So firstly import numpy as np. Similarly, so import these are the two libraries in Python. Example data 1 data 2. This is the data 1 and data 2 are the two variables, and np dot random dot normal. These are the conditions. Plot storing with overlay. Plt dot is dental 1 data 1 wins equal to this histogram 1 and this is histogram 2. So so the plot. So plt dot title histogram with overlay. This is the title of the data graph. And this is display legend for the two data sets, and so the plot. This so the plot. So histogram with overlay, you can see blue color is data 1 and purple, sorry, this color is data 2. So secondly, perform winning based on predictive value using Python. Import pandas as pd. Example data. These are the set. These are the dictionaries. This age and income are the variable. So this df pd dot data frame data perform binning, and perform binning DATH or labels, or these are the output. We can say that this is the exploratory data analysis in data science. So thank you.